In this video, I'll teach you how to hide the link lines in the Gantt chart view in Microsoft Project. You know, in a really big project in Microsoft Project, wouldn't it be nice if you could hide the link lines in the Gantt chart view without actually removing the task dependency relationships? Well, of course, such a thing is possible, and in this video, I'll teach you how to do it. So let's get started. In a large, complex project in Microsoft Project, you might end up finding that the link lines between each Gantt bar really become obtrusive and get in the way and make things more complicated than you really want them to be. So if you want to hide the link lines, then do the following. First of all, display the regular Gantt chart view. Then click the Gantt chart format ribbon tab to display that ribbon. Over on the far left end of the ribbon, click the Layout button. In the Layout dialog, in the Link section at the top, choose the first option, which will hide all of the link lines in this view. When finished, click OK. The link lines are hidden. They're not gone. They're still there, but they are now hidden. If you want to cycle back and forth, sometimes displaying the link lines and sometimes not, then let me teach you a trick. Leave the Gantt chart format ribbon displayed. Go to the Layout button again, but don't click it. Instead, right mouse click on the Layout button and choose the item on the shortcut menu called Add to Quick Access Toolbar. Microsoft Project will add the Layout button at the far right end of the toolbar. So when you click the Layout button, there's the dialog. You don't have to go looking for it. Now I can redisplay link lines. And then later I can click the button and I can hide the link lines. Now there's a little bit more I want to show you, however. I've got the link lines hidden. You can see very clearly in the Gantt chart view. What I'd like to do is go to another common Gantt-based view. This is the Tracking Gantt view. And wait, the link lines are still here. The Layout dialog settings apply to the individual Gantt-based view which you have applied at the time you set the option. So if I want to hide the link lines in the Tracking Gantt view, I need to bring up this view, click the Layout button. Look, the option is there to display the link lines. So now I can choose to hide them as well. If you have any custom Gantt-based views that you've created, to hide the link lines in them, you'd have to apply or display your custom Gantt-based view, and then you can use the Layout dialog to hide or display the link lines as you want. Hey, thanks for watching my video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so and click the notifications button. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.